Should the weight, when I do the yes or the no movement, be balanced on rest on both legs, or more forward or more backward? My opinion is, in eurythmy, we always look for a deep connection to the earth. We feel into the earth. So when I place my foot forward, I keep my weight in between, that I can just feel my pelvis and just relax and feel from my heart through my body into the earth. And it's a different expression. If I say yes and I rest on both feet, I have much more impact in my yes. If I'm in front, that's a different attitude. And if I'm lean backward and all my weight is back, yes, is it really a yes? And the same with no. If I'm do my no, I'm not completely reclined, because then I withdraw, but I stand on both feet, and then I can express a clear